Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Cooking Verbs Part 1. Roll out. Roll out. To flatten dough or pastry with a rolling pin to desired thickness. Spread. Spread. To apply a thin layer of a substance over a surface. Peel. Peel. To peel means to remove the skin of foods such as vegetables and fruit. Mix. Mix. To combine two or more substances together. Whip. Whip. To beat a substance with a whisk or mixer to incorporate air and make it fluffy. Grate. Grate. To grate means to rub vegetables, cheese, etc. against a grater to break them into very small pieces. Chop. Chop. To chop is to cut food into smaller pieces with a knife. Fry. Fry. To fry food means to cook it in oil. Bake. Bake. To bake means to cook some food in the oven. Boil. Boil. If you boil food, then you cook it in boiling water. Grill. Grill. The verb grill refers to cooking food such as meat, fish, vegetables, etc. on a metal frame over a fire. Pour. Pour. To pour means to make liquid flow from one container into another. Roast. Roast. Roasting is cooking meat, beans, nuts, etc. in an oven. Slice. Slice. To cut something into thin, flat pieces. Melt. Melt. To change a solid substance into a liquid by heating it. Knead. Knead. Kneading refers to pressing and stretching the pastry in order to prepare it for consumption. Pinch. Pinch. To take a small amount of something between your fingers. Add. Add. To put something into a mixture or dish to increase its flavor or quantity. Steam. Steam. To cook food using steam. Cut. Cut. To use a sharp tool like a knife to divide something. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.